just about to load this block to send it out to the machine shop. So last time you saw it, it was an engine fully assembled. So let's look at how we got here. Getting into the engine strip, just remove this plate from the bottom of the bell housing here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a loose bolt just sitting in the bell housing right next to the flywheel. If that would have caught into that flywheel, could have been a big issue. In fact, you can see it's actually been grinded on the flywheel. Wow, I was extremely lucky that that didn't jam up in there. That would have best case caused me to be not able to crank it over in the water. It caused me to need a tow back. Secondly, I guess worst case, it could have cracked the bell housing or damaged the teeth on the flywheel. So good decision to strip and inspect this engine. Reason number one. Well, there you go. Engine's onto the stand. Bell housing is off, along with the oil cooler and the velvet drive. So just got a reverse rotation, big block V8 here. That was pretty stressful. Didn't enjoy getting it on there at all. But it's on there now, so I can start stripping it. Looking at this timing chain, it's not bad at all. I don't know whether it's original or not, or whether someone's rebuilt it, but not a huge amount of slack in it. Well, that's good. Maybe someone rebuilt it. Rocker cover off. Do you know what? Those valve springs don't look original. No way. So someone's put valve springs on it. Maybe. Why would you put valve springs on it? Well, either the valve springs broke or you've put a cam in it. That's the only two reasons, right? So it's either got a cam or just new valve springs. Interesting. Day one, the engine strip. That's as far as I've got. Rocker covers are off. All the front ends off, including the timing cover. Just got to get this intake and the heads off next. But the intake's putting up a bit of a fight. It's got a lot of sealant on it, so I'm going to pull stumps and figure that one out. Okay, this is where I need to be careful. These rocker shafts need to be loosened half a turn at a time. Or not. There's half. There's half. off, and off, 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 off. Good. Okay, they're loose now, so whip them. There's not a ton of corrosion in here, or anything worrying. One of these bolts should be different to the others. This one. I thought one of these was supposed to be hollow. Or a different size. Ah, there you go. There it is. Yeah, so this one's a different size. Got a shoulder on it. That's to allow oil up. Looks good. Push rods from number 1. Two. Three. Four. So far so good. It doesn't look too bad at all in there. I see obviously little bit of corrosion, but very little in the way of soot or gunk. I think this thing has been rebuilt and not run very many hours. Otherwise it'd be full of gunk in there. You know, black sort of soot. This is a renowned heavy part, so I just chained it off the engine lift. It looks really good in it. bit of corrosion. Water jacket there. Got some corrosion in it. That windage tray should lift. It's just stuck by the gaskets. Wow, that looks really good, not bad at all. A little bit of corrosion. Corrosion and what looks like chips. Yeah, there's chips there. I don't know, it's not bad at all, but it needs a rebuild just to get all of this mess out. Alright, heads next. So this is the whole purpose of this build, is to replace the heads. For that is I've got damage to a number of the lugs, and I've got a hole on the exhaust side. Some rust on those head bolts, but not bad. How do you get them off? Do. Get you in here. Looking at the valve side, doesn't look bad at all. I don't see any burnt valves. They all look similar wear. They don't look worn really at all. They look in pretty good shape. So this head is actually not bad. This is the good one. It's the other side that's worse. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, oil pan's off. Got this rotated over. Lot of dirt and muck around the oil pickup, and a lot of sort of rust on that, so that definitely needed replacing. This wouldn't have been good for oil pressure, giving me a lower oil pressure. Oil pump looks original. Maybe it is replaced, I don't know. Pistons look pretty good. I don't see any scoring on the skirts. Maybe a little bit of scoring, but minor. Start to see some peaks of the camshaft down there. Cam looks pretty good. Don't see any, a little bit of wear on the cam. Some rust spots on the cam as well. Let's see, out of focus for you guys. Okay, lifters are out. It's probably difficult for you to see, but there is a little bit of wear on the lifters, but a lot of black pitting. See that black pitting? A little bit of wear. So I mean, you definitely wouldn't reuse them, but hopefully the cam's in good shape because I'm not seeing a ton of wear on these, but definite yucky black sort of pit in there. So these are toast, corroded, but hopefully a good sign for the cam that they're not all worn out. This oil pickup is gross. It's like an eighth of just gunk sitting on the bottom of there. It's literally an eighth of yuck. Oh, what the heck that is. But oh my god. Yeah, definitely time for a rebuild. First piston. Cap removal. Oof, massive score in that bearing. Something got in there, but that's right on the limit of being able to catch a nail in it. But I mean, you're going to expect some scoring with the amount of junk that was in this engine. Also some wear there. And weird wear there. So crank doesn't look bad, but these bearings are definitely time for replacement. And yes, I have marked all of the where everything goes. First piston off. Crank looks good. Don't see any wear on it. Same thing, scoring, but not bad at all. Some scoring, some pitting. Crank looks great. just there's so much junk in here that I guess you got to expect some scoring. Minor scoring on the skirt. Nothing really. Could reuse these pistons. Rings look in good shape. I wonder if someone's put new rings on this during a rebuild. I think they did. Rings look great. Okay, crank's out. Crank bearings are scored, worn. Definitely time for a rebuild, but not horrible. No one did the oil clearance trick, 390 FE trick, so probably wasn't oiling the best. Same on the other side, crank caps. Needs new bearings on all the rods. Pistons themselves look pretty good actually. Crank needs a slight polish, but it's not scored. Nothing in here I can feel with my nail, so it needs polishing. Other than that, it's good. Heads are toast. Head has got a hole in it on the one side and got a crack on the lug the other side. Oil pan looks good. Oil pump, oil catch needs replacing. So it's just it's like a rebuild really, fairly straightforward. He says, surrounded by millions of Ford FE parts all over the bench. Last thing to check is this cam. Fortunately I can't get it out because I need some giant Phillips screws, which I don't have. But this cam looks the worst part on the engine. I don't know whether you can tell or not, but that lobe looks worn down. Corrosion. A lot of pitting on this one, and I can feel that. And there's wear on the edges there, but not in the middle, which is weird. That lobe again looks wiped out, pitted. This doesn't look bad up here. That looks worn. So, it's a reverse rotation cam, so it's not normal. Unfortunately, it looks the worst part on the engine. You can see the cylinders probably look worse than they are to you. Not bad, just glazed. No crosshatch. No scoring, just glazed. So, I don't know, what do you think? That cam looks toast to me. You're not going to rebuild an engine and put that back in. Pitted, bad lobes. So you're going to lose a load of horsepower with that. It's just going to not get a lift long enough. So that's a problem. Looks like I lost my footage that I recorded when I first assessed these bores, so here you go, here's a view. Minor scoring. Look pretty glazed. Do see a bit of pitting right down there. A little bit of pitting down there. And no crosshatch left. So they need honing as a minimum. Might need boring a little bit over, depending on how deep that pitting is down there. But I'd probably hone these if it wasn't going to the machine shop anyway, just to get the crosshatch back. Anyway, that's the bores. So I just removed these giant screws holding in the cam, so I can get this cam out now. Take a look what we're looking at. So bearing journals look good. Don't see any issues there. Oh, bearings look great. These lobes look worn. And there's definitely pitting on some of these lobes. Like that one is done. Oof, that one is done. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 white lobes because of pitting. That's not good. Yeah, this thing needs a lot of work, or I gotta find a new one. So this engine's got 500 hours on it. This is the oil pan. 500 hours in, nearly 60 years. I think that's 60 years worth of oil gunk there. I don't think this engine's ever at the bottom end off. It's disgusting. It's just crunchy grossness. So definitely due for a rebuild, and all this would have just been, any of this could have scored up anything, I guess, or blocked up any oil passageways. Yuck, gross. If it's possible for oil to turn back into dinosaurs, this stuff was on the way. This is from the bottom of the oil that I already drained. So yeah, it was really stinky and crunchy. This was new oil, by the way. I had done an oil change, but this was obviously just all sitting in the sump. Definitely needed a rebuild, and this is, I can imagine what's scoring up all of the bores is one of these flakes gets round into the system. the oiling system from somewhere, with also a bunch of rust flakes on the top of the engine that would have been dropping down and scoring the bores, so totally needed a rebuild, that's for sure. Well, after a lot of scrubbing, probably got a clean sump. Could do with a maybe carb cleaner, last blast, but pretty good.